Hey everyone, so I am going to show you how you can determine on outbound leads or leads that have been parsed into the system through auto import if an invitation has already gone out to them. So important thing to note, if the lead is a forced registration lead, that means they went to the website and they signed up themselves. That invitation will go out to them, or welcome email. Actually, it's a welcome email that they'll receive once they sign up for the website. Leads like realtor.com or other auto import leads, they are going to receive an invitation with a username and password to invite them onto the site. So the first thing is making sure under integrations that this is set up correctly, under lead email settings, that this is set up correctly and allow users to send auto invitations to new auto import leads. Yes, send an automated site invitation to my new auto import leads, and that is, it should be a yes. So with that being said, if we go back to the lead here I am giving as an example, we can see that the invitation has gone out here by simply clicking on this email link. And most auto import leads should have something similar, and if you scroll down here you'll see the automatic response, and this is what that lead would have received. So username and password is, and the invitation has already been sent out, so that's a way to double check. But you can assume that if there is a yes on the auto import leads receiving an invitation automatically, that there would have been there would have been one that has gone out. So the other way that I suggest is when you're talking to a lead and let's say they're in the qualifying period and you get them on the phone, you want to resend the invitation either while you're on the phone with them or right after, so it's fresh on their mind, and then let them know to check their inbox for that invitation to the site with the username and password that they can sign on. You want to make sure that the alert is set up, because if they do hit the website or go to the website or log on to the website and there's not an auto alert set up, then they won't have reoccurring visits back to the site. Now I have seen where once this is set up, it still says the lead has not accepted an invitation, but they're opening their alerts and you can see that, but it will show web activity 000 up here. So that's something for you to watch for and note to ensure that you understand if they've received the invitation or not. And you can send the invitation as many times as you want, but I really suggest once you get them on the phone, you hit resend that invitation so it's at the top of their inbox again. Hope this helps.